It's really easy to clean silver at home using baking soda and aluminum foil. Choose a container large enough to hold your silver items and made from a material that will not react with the cleaning solution, preferably glass or ceramic. Use tongs to handle the silver safely to prevent burns. Use hot water, but not boiling water, which can damage delicate or antique silver items. Also, this method is not recommended if your jewelry is silver plated, as it can damage the plating. Test this cleaning method on a small area first if you're cleaning an item with a unique finish or engraving. Alright, let's get started with the cleaning process. As you can see, these silver bracelets look quite dirty and tarnished, and they need a thorough cleaning. First, cover your container with a layer of aluminum foil, shiny side up. Make sure the foil is in direct contact with the container surface. Next, pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda onto the aluminum foil. Carefully add enough hot water to the container to fully submerge your silver items. Stir the baking soda into the hot water until it dissolves completely. Now gently place your tarnished silver items into the solution. Let your jewelry soak for about 1 to 2 minutes. If the tarnish is not completely removed, you can leave your silver in the solution for several more minutes. For items with intricate designs or stubborn tarnish, use a soft bristled brush to scrub the silver gently. Once the tarnish is gone, carefully remove the silver using tongs. Rinse each silver piece with lukewarm water to remove any remaining baking soda residue. Now pat your silver dry with a soft cloth or microfiber towel. Make sure to dry them completely to avoid water spots. That's it. Your silver should be clean and sparkling now. If you clean your silver regularly, you can prevent heavy tarnish buildup and maintain your jewelry in pristine condition.